There's too much water in it.
It's a beautiful day. So look at there. You live in this big house and stuff. Let's go over here and stuff. Come here, Sheedy.
Oh, yeah.
See, that's our old dirty and stuff. Yeah.
Yes, there's a light over there.
Old stuff.
Sadie, get away from the pool.
Come here, Sadie. It's all raining over there. Come on. So, yeah. This big house. Big house.
What happened with Liz to register?
Yeah. I'm going to put this on YouTube. It's
Tomorrow's the
good.
day off. She's gonna come
Rainy.
tomorrow.
The
Take those papers in.
rainy
Because
day,
it has to
actually,
be in
yeah.
person.